This 2009 Bentley Continental GTC is brought to you by Auto Gallery, Chicago. Bentley GTC Continental 6.0L twin turbocharged W12 engine 6-speed automatic transmission all-wheel drive system navigation system front parking assist rear parking assist adaptive xenon headlights power rear trunk opener self-leveling suspension keyless and tri-keyless start heated front seat heated exterior mirrors automatic power windows interior trim veneers white exterior brown leather interior black convertible soft top. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detail. Walk around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2009 Bentley Continental GTC is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.